happiness as we go along our way. If we do one little act of kindness every day, we will be blessed in so many ways. With these beautiful thoughts, I, Ashina Pillai of Standard 3B, along with my class teacher and my classmates, wish you a crisp and warm morning. On behalf of 3B and our class teacher, I welcome all to the online assembly of this beautiful morning.
A day without prayer is a day without blessing. Prayer song by Anamika Vinod.
All things bright and beautiful, and creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, their Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made the glowing color, He made the tiny wing. All things bright and beautiful, and creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, their Lord God made them all.
Thank you, Anamika. Storytelling is a most powerful way to put ideas into the world today. Where there is unity, there is always victory. Let us listen to the story by Afifa Fatima.
Good morning to all. I am Afifa Fatima. Today I want to tell a story, The Lion and the Four Cows. Once upon a time, there lived 4 cows in the forest. Every day, they used to graze together in a particular spot. They were all friends. One day, a lion saw the cows grazing together. The lion wanted to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had to run away. A few days passed, and the cows quarreled between themselves and started grazing separately. This was noticed by the lion. One by one, the lion killed all of them. Moral of the story: unity is strength. Thank you.
Thank you, Afifa, for that lovely story. Now let us enjoy a Malayalam poem by Muhammad Amin. എൻ്റെ കേരളം.
നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ ഇന്നിവിടെ ഒരു കവിത ചൊല്ലാൻ പോവാണ്. എൻ്റെ കേരളം, എൻ്റെ കേരളം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഞാൻ പിറന്ന പിച്ച വെച്ച എൻ്റെ കേരളം. എൻ്റെ കേരളം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഞാൻ പിറന്ന പിച്ച വെച്ച എൻ്റെ കേരളം. പരശുരാമൻ മുഴുവറിഞ്ഞു നേടിത്തന്ന കേരളം, സംസ്കാര സമ്പന്നമായ കേരളം. പരശുരാമൻ മുഴുവറിഞ്ഞു നേടിത്തന്ന കേരളം, സംസ്കാര സമ്പന്നമായ കേരളം. എൻ്റെ കേരളം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഞാൻ പിറന്ന പിച്ച വെച്ച എൻ്റെ കേരളം. എൻ്റെ കേരളം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഞാൻ പിറന്ന പിച്ച വെച്ച എൻ്റെ കേരളം. മലയാള ഭാഷയുള്ള എൻ്റെ കേരളം, കേരവൃക്ഷം തിങ്ങി പറക്കും എൻ്റെ കേരളം. സുഗന്ധവ്യഞ്ജനങ്ങളുടെ നാടാണ് കേരളം, പെരിയാറും സഖികളും ഒഴുകും കേരളം. എൻ്റെ കേരളം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഞാൻ പിറന്ന പിച്ച വെച്ച എൻ്റെ കേരളം. എൻ്റെ കേരളം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഞാൻ പിറന്ന പിച്ച വെച്ച എൻ്റെ കേരളം. പരശുരാമൻ മുഴുവറിഞ്ഞു നേടിത്തന്ന കേരളം, സംസ്കാര സമ്പന്നമായ കേരളം.
Thank you, Muhammad Amin. Great satisfaction comes from sharing with others. Let us listen to Atit Samir's speech on the topic Sharing is Caring.
Good morning. I am going to tell about sharing is caring. Each of us has something that means a great deal to us. It is special like a treasure, and we do not want anyone else to touch it. It may be a new pencil box or color book or sharpener, etc. It could be anything, so why not share it with someone who does not have such nice things as you and who promises to take care of what you share. When we give something ours to someone else, we learn to care for others, and this is very important. Just start in a small way and you will soon find it great feeling to see how happy this extra of yours has made someone. Thank you.
Thank you, Atif Samit. Your speech was awesome. Now, friends, let us listen our class teacher Suprabha Miss.
Good morning, all of you. We all like to win and be best in whatever we like to do. Winning is a sign of success, and who does not like to be successful? But while we try our best to succeed, we should also learn to be good losers, because losing bravely is a lesson we should all learn. Losing once gives us the courage to try again and again till we win. All of us cannot come first, but if we do our very best and try as hard as we can, success is sure to follow. We should never make faces, feel sorry for ourselves, fight, or get angry when we lose. Just tell ourselves, till next time, let me work harder and get what I want. Remember, a loser never wins, and a winner never loses. So, be a winner. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.
Thank you, Miss. Now I invite Maya Miss for the assembly message.
Hello everyone. This is the month of December and the month of Christmas. Someone once said, Christmas is all about giving. Giving is an act of love. The joy of being able to bless and give to someone you care and to make them smile is priceless. Although Christmas is a festivity for the entire family, children play an important role. Children need love and care, but there are some children who are less fortunate than us. If you are thinking about doing something to help these children, Christmas season is the perfect time to open our heart and purse. The satisfaction that comes from making a difference in the life of others cannot be overestimated. Knowing that you have helped make someone else's Christmas a little bit brighter is a special feeling, and that good feeling will last even after the holidays are over. So, if you are looking for a way to enhance your holiday experience, try giving back this year. You will be glad you did. Thank you.
Thank you, Maya Miss, for your inspiring words. School Anthem.
Lo, behold, the far-off hills, I do see my guiding light shining. The east it fills, drawing me to radiance bright. Sing along, children of Ekegem, loudly proclaim how you jump o'er virtues, each of them adore the elements they all as I heard the echoes ring from my peace to valleys long, let my heart a motor swing, lead me o'er your kindly dawn. If I learn, it's by doing, lead us rolling, always serving, richness be thy bounty sharing, goal of life is where my striving. As I grow in thy care, all knowledge should I share, to be love to scribe is my prayer. Lo, behold, the far-off hills, I do see my guiding light shining